Hey guys, Ramblin Bob here again with a new product from Pecron. Okay, so you guys know we got tons of Pecron stuff, so I always look for Bluetti and Pecron stuff. Those are my two favorite ones right now. Guys, if you go to if you remember, we have the E3600 LFP, and that has 4 batteries, like you saw in that picture that I just passed here, and they have the cascading cable. Hold on, let me find it here real quick here, guys. Okay, so this one. And then they have this one, so that's a new one. So this is the original one that comes with the E3600 LFP and the E1500 LFP and the E2400 LFP and the E1000 LFP. The only one it doesn't work on is the E2000, because that's a 24-volt battery, and as you can see, the EP, the Eric Paul 3000, is 48 volts. Don't mix and match them, guys. Not a good idea at all. So basically what this is these are right angle cables, so you can have a very clean look. Let me see if I have a picture here, guys. Let's go to E3600 and I'll show you real quick here. Okay, let me find the one with the batteries here. Batteries. There's gotta be a stack of batteries in there somewhere, guys. Okay, so here. Oh, there you go. Okay, so here's a bigger one. So basically that cable is the one that allows you to have a very clean stack. However, this is only 3 batteries, so let me see if I can find them all. There you go. Okay, so that's all 4 batteries. Now notice that is very deep, right? So you probably have about, what, 16 inches plus another 6. It's almost 30 inches deep. And sometimes, like in an RV, you don't have a closet or a room that's that deep where you put clothes or a basket or whatever. So this way I like a lot, but for the workshop kind of thing. But for mobile, I wish I could stack all of these on top of each other for one very tall stack, if that makes sense to you. So you'd have this one, and then this one, and then these 3 would be underneath here. So it'd be one really tall, like almost like a refrigerator looking thing. You know what I mean? The problem is if you either put this in the middle and the 2 batteries underneath and the 2 on top, these cables are about 1 inch short from connecting from here to up here. I wish this was just 1 inch higher, and then I could have had this stack without this new product. So and of course it's you can't put all the or you shouldn't. They said you could. I don't trust it. They said that you can daisy chain all 4 batteries together through that this one to port 1, port 2 to port 1, all the way down. But it just, I don't know. I haven't been brave enough to try it yet, guys. So, however, they do have a new product, okay, until I'm brave enough to try that, because I don't want to lose a couple batteries. You're talking a couple $1,000 almost. So, they have a new product, which this is the old one, and then this is the new one, okay? So, it's not right angle, which I don't like. I do not like the cables because they stick out so far. However, in this instance, these are 47 inches, so almost 4 feet apiece. So what you could do is, let me put this over here, and then let me put this over here. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to plug this one into here. Now, obviously, guys, that's really long, right? So you're going to go, this really long cable, and then you're going to do the right angle short one for the next battery, right? And then you do another one of these from the port 2 into this battery, and then a right angle from this one down to this one, right? But these are so long, I feel that it should be okay that if you bend the extra around the back of the system, if that makes sense to you. So this loop right here will actually be like that away. You know what I'm saying? So you can bend it like behind the system. I don't know if that's good for it, but I really wish they would have made right angle versions of these. Oh, my battery's almost dying here. I really wish that they would have made right angle cables, and maybe they would. Oh, I think, give me a second, guys. Okay, there you go. Okay, my other speaker was dying there, was yelling at me. Okay, so these are the new ones, guys. So for $39.90, we ordered 2 of them, and we have the tracking number, and we're just waiting for them to show up. They just sent them out today, so I'm guessing maybe 3, 4, 5 days. But basically, I want to try these, and if these work, we can have the entire E3600 LFP in one super monster stack. Now, the reason that I like this a lot, guys, is for my RV trips. Okay, so let me get this bigger here, and then I'll show you something else here. How do I get to the top here? Back here. Okay, so the other thing is for the people that have 2 of these things, right? That's a lot of space. I mean, you have 5 chunks of stuff plus 5 chunks of stuff. That's a lot of space. So if you could go on the front page here, you'll see that you got to wait for that screen here. Give me a second here, guys. This one. Okay, so let me save this real quick here. Oh, wait, I gotta wait a second, guys. Hold on, oh, doggone it. Give me a second here, guys. Hold on. Technology, I'm telling you what, I'm losing here. Okay, here we go. And then I'll save the screenshot, save the visible, and then if it ever works, okay, I'll put it over there, and then I can open it up to right there. Okay, so, oh my gosh, it didn't work, guys. Sorry. Okay, anywho's, I'll just keep going back. Technology, guys. So you see this big stack right here? So imagine all 4 of those with one of these on the top of it, right? I gotta go back again. You know what? Here, just give me 1 second. I don't need that here. Let me see this thing. Okay, visible. Get it. Go. Okay. I don't like the websites that have that where the background keeps changing. I always hate it. Okay, so here now I have a hard picture here that will never change. See, I saved it. So basically what I wanted to do is, or for other people, you have all 4 of these batteries, right? And then you have this E3600 on the top of up here. So you have this really tall refrigerator looking thing, right? But then you could put 4 batteries under this one and have them side by side. And I think that would save a lot of space as opposed to having it where, you have to put them side by side like this. That's not the biggest one. This is okay there. So having them side by side like that would take up so much room, and so a lot of times like the carts are not big enough. See, we have those Harbor Freight carts for like $12. Like whoop-de-doo, they cost nothing. They hold like 500 pounds. They're perfect for these power stations. So if you put all this weight on the little cart, you can, as long as you be careful, you can roll all this weight. This is 300 plus pounds. Let's see, 6, that's 240. My brain here. Yeah, about 320 pounds here with everything. Maybe 330 with all the cables and everything and the cords. So you got 330 pounds that you can actually physically roll around. So imagine being able to do that. And the carts are usually not made this deep. Carts are usually not 30 inches deep. They might be 30 inches wide, but you have a trouble getting them 30 inches deep. At least I don't see them at Harbor Freight or nothing like that. But I know that's not like the greatest shopping place for tools and everything. But just a heads up, guys, I'm gonna get these cables and I'll be making another video, and hopefully I can like say great things about it. It works. Hopefully, if maybe we can mess with them, guys. If we could have them make these ones 1 inch longer, or if they make right angles of the let me get down here, guys. Hold on. Holy crap, Zilla, guys. Okay, give me a second. Or the right angle cables of this new one here, or the regular one that's just 1 more inch, and I would have been happy. So, all right, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Ramble on, be safe, and I'll see you next time for an update here on this project on Ramblin Bob Reviews. Bye, guys.